We are replacing a top drain when the strainer crossbars are broken. It's easier than you might think, and with the right tools, you'll have it done in no time. You need a top drain removal tool, an adjustable wrench, a new pop-up top drain stopper, a new top waste strainer, a pop-up plug wrench, and bathroom grade caulk. First, using a hammer, lodge the removal tool into the old strainer. Secure the adjustable wrench around the hex on top and rotate counterclockwise to unscrew the strainer. Once removed, clean the area to remove any debris or stains. Now we are ready to install the new drain. Apply a bead of caulk around the drain opening. Place the new top waste strainer in position and tighten it clockwise. Investing in the right tools pays off. They'll serve you for future projects. Finish tightening with a pop-up plug wrench. If the old strainer's crossbars weren't broken, this tool could have been used to remove that too. Finally, screw on the new pop-up drain stopper and you are done. I just want to take the time to say thank you all for watching. All of you are the only reason videos like this exist, and I really hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Have yourself a wonderful day.